Hello students, today's topic is sieve of Eratosthenes. What is sieve of Eratosthenes? You must have find this topic in grade 5 as well as in grade 6 textbook. So sieve of Eratosthenes is nothing but a technique to find the list of prime as well as composite numbers. So how it is exactly that we are going to discuss. But before that, I would like to ask, what is prime number? Can you list few prime numbers as well as can you differentiate? Can you find the difference between prime and composite numbers? Now, I would like to ask, yes, whether 7 is a prime or composite number. Please let me know in the chat box or in the comment section. 7 is prime or composite number. Quickly, you can write it in the short form also. If it is prime, then write P. If it is composite, then write C. P or C. Yes. Thanks for your reply. Now, next number 2. Can you tell me whether number 2 is prime or composite? Little bit confused? If yes, don't worry. I'm going to revise the concept of prime and composite numbers. Now, what is the definition of prime numbers? The numbers, yes, prime numbers are the number which has only one common factor. Sorry. Yes, that is a co-prime. What is prime number then? Prime numbers are the numbers, yes, which has, okay, prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors. So ऐसे कौन से numbers है जिनके सिर्फ और सिर्फ दो factors होता है. Okay, तो इसके लिए हमें factors पता होनी चाहिए. What are the factors? तो मैं factors बताता हूँ क्या होता है. Let's say factors of 12. अब देखो, जब भी कभी हम किसी भी नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स ढूंढते हैं तो यूजुअली व्हाट डू वी सी कि एक ऐसा नंबर, फैक्टर किसे कहेंगे, एक ऐसा नंबर जिससे उस नंबर को हम कंप्लीटली डिवाइड कर सके. तो एक होता है 1 से 12 को 12 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकता है. तो 1 12 सो एक होता है 1, दूसरा होता है 12, क्योंकि 12 को यस इक्वली डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 12 से, है ना. दैट इज वन पार्ट. सिमिलरली 2 से हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 12 को इक्वल पार्ट्स में. कैसे? 2 हाउ मेनी जा 2 6 12. सिमिलरली 12 को 6 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं कंप्लीटली. तो ऐसा समझिए कि यहाँ पे 12 को अगर किसी हम पर्टिकुलर नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिमाइंडर 0 आना चाहिए. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो जिस नंबर से हम उस नंबर 12 को डिवाइड करेंगे वो उसका फैक्टर होगा. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट फैक्टर्स आर 3 एंड 4, क्योंकि 3 को अगर हम 3 से अगर हम 12 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिमाइंडर 0 आता है. सेम केस विद 4. So these are the factors of 12. Now, how many factors are there of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say 12 has 6 factors. 12 has 6 factors. Now look at the definition of prime number. Numbers which has only 2 factors, and now here 12 has 6 factors. So is it a prime number? तो हम कह सकते हैं 12, yes, 12, just a minute. Yes, here we can say 12 is not a prime number. 12 is not a prime number. Clear? Now let's discuss what is composite number then? Yes, what is the definition of composite number? So here we can define composite number as yes, a number which has more than two number which has more than two factors. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखो 12 has 6 factors, which is more than 2 factors. Thus 12 is a composite number. 12 is a composite number. Okay. Then what has only 2 common factors? So look at another number. We'll take another number over here. Okay. Let's take the number 2. Okay. For number 2, how many factors are there? Yes, 12 is completely divisible by 2. 2 is completely divisible by 1 and 2 itself. Is there any other number by which we can divide 2? So 2 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 2 itself. So here we can write 2 has number 2 has only 2 factors. Only 2 factors. Thus 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime. I hope you all are clear with the difference between prime and composite number. Okay. So now we are going to find the list of it. Okay. So हम थोड़ा सा एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं and then we'll come back to our sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, so quickly we'll try to find out yes which are the prime and which are the composite numbers. अब देखो one के कितने factors होते हैं? One comes in one table, 1 into 1. So one has only one factor. Okay. 2 के कितने factors है? Yes, 2 has 1 multiplied by 2. Yes, so it has 2 factors. Yes, number 3 comes in 1 table as well as in 3 table. So it has only 2 factors. Yes, number 4 is divisible by 1, divisible by 4, divisible by 2. Yes, 2 twos are. So it has 3 factors. 4 has 3 factors. Then number 5 is divisible by 1 as well as 5 only. So it has 2 factors. Similarly, number 6, just now we have discussed, 6 has how many factors? 6 factors, sorry, 4 factors. 1, 6, 2, 3. Because 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, or 3 2s are and 6 1s are. So it has 4 factors. Then 7 has 1 into 7, only 2 factors. Yes. Similarly, 8 has how many factors? 1, 8 is a 2, 4 is a, so only 4 factors, right? Similarly, number 9, it has 1, 9 is a 3, 3 is a, so 3 factors. So from this, we come to know how many factors a number has. So number 1 has only 1 factor, 2 has 2 factors. So whatever number that has 2 factors are only 2 factors are the prime numbers. So the prime numbers here are yes, number 2, number 3, number 5, number 7 are the prime numbers. Whereas yes, other are co-prime numbers. Yes, or composite numbers. Composite numbers. Okay. So number 4, number 6, number 8, number 9 are composite numbers. Now, what are the co-prime numbers? Sure, that we'll discuss later. Now, here, as we have understood the concept, now what we are supposed to do? Yes, sieve of irrational things. अब होता क्या है? What is sieve of irrational things? It is a technique, or we can say simple method by which we can find the list of prime and composite number from number 1 to 100. हम क्या कर सकते हैं by sieve of irrational things? We can find the list of, yes, list of all prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100, 1 to, yes, 1 to 100, 1 to 100 के बीच में जितने भी prime numbers है, composite numbers है, that list we can find easy. Now what you need to do? You need to make a list of, or we can say you need to make a table of numbers from 1 to 100. How? I would like to tell you just. So here you will write the numbers like this: 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Similarly, 11, yes, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Like this table you need to make. So I want you all to make the table like this. 25 till 100 you need to make the tables. Okay, so quickly you need to prepare the table. Come on everyone, start preparing the table. Yes everyone, so like this you need to make a list of numbers from 1 to 100. As soon as you are done with it, now you need to follow the simple steps. Step 1, you will cross out 1. Why? As 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why 1 is neither prime nor composite? As it has only one factor, and in the definition of prime number it requires minimum 2 factors, and for composite numbers more than 2 factors. Yes, so 1 is neither prime nor composite, so you will cross out. So here I'm not going to cross out, as I want that number to be visible. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just color it. Now after the first step, second step, circle the next number, that is 2. We are going to circle. Yes, circle the next number, that is 2. Okay, yes, and cross out all the multiples of 2. So what are the multiples of 2 that we need to cross out? So instead of cross out, here I'm going to color it. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the multiples of 2. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Almost सारे के सारे जो even number है after 2, वो सारे के सारे cross out होने वाले हैं. Cross out मतलब cut होने वाले हैं. Okay. Yeah, so like this. So I do not want to waste the time, so I would like to cross out it this way. Please try to understand. Okay. So this way I'm going to cross out. I hope you all are getting it. Yes. You need to go with the steps, please. Okay. Yes. So in this way, I have crossed out all the multiples of 2. Okay. Now, what is the next step? After 2, you need to circle the next number. So which which is the next number? 3. So encircle 3. Just a minute. Encircle 3 like this and cross out all the multiples of 3. So here again, instead of crossing out, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use colors so that the numbers will be visible to me. Okay, so you can cross out, but I wanted to see the numbers, that's why I'm not going for that. Okay, so I'm going to cross out 3, then 6, then 9. Yes, multiple of 3 is then 12. It is already crossed out. Then 15, then 18, already crossed out. Then 21, then 24, already crossed out. 27, 30, already crossed out. Then 33, 36, 39, then 40, 42, then 45, then 48, then 51, yes, then 54, then 57, 60 plus 3, 63, then 66, then 69, then 72, then 75, then 77, sorry, 78, then 78 plus 3, 81, then 84, then 87, then 90, then 93, 96, then 99. Yes. After this, next step. Now, which is the next number remaining? That number you need to encircle and its multiples. So 5 you will encircle, and yes, all the multiples of 5 you need to, yes, you need to cross out. So 5, then 10 already there, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 already cross out, 50 already cross out, 55, 60 means what? Basically this column you need to cross out. Yes, like this. Now what is left? Next number. So encircle the next number. Which is the next number? 6 is already cross out. So 7. So encircle it and cross out all the multiples of 7. Now how will do that? 7 and the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 to the 28, then 35, then 42, then 49. So here 49 was not there, so 49, then 56 already cross out, then 63 already cross out, 70, then 77, 77, then 84, then 91, then 98 already cross out, and so on. As you are done with the 7, whatever is the list of numbers remain now are the prime numbers. So that you need to answer them. So just a minute. Yeah, I'm going to encircle the numbers. Now, whatever numbers you are able to see, those are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, and all the numbers which are cross out, जो मैंने colors के साथ यहाँ पे shade किए हैं, these are the numbers. So I hope you all must have understood the sieve of the rest of things and list of prime as well as composite. Thank you everyone.